Parking brake off. Take off.
Stabilized.
Manual flex 55 SRS. Runway auto thrust blue.
Checked. Power set.
Checked.
100.
Checked.
V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up. Nav green.
Check.
Autopilot 1.
Check. Landing gear is up.
Thrust climb. Climb. Auto thrust wide.
Check.
Pack 1. Flaps 1.
Back one is on. Speed check. Flaps at 1. Master caution, engine 1 failed.
I have control and communications.
You have control and communications.
Thrust MCT. Speed selected. Thrust MCT.
Check.
Control Air Portugal 01 with an engine failure proceeding as cleared. ECAM actions.
Engine 1 failed. Engine mode selector ignition. Ignition. Thrust lever 1 idle.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Idle.
If no engine relight, parameters check, no relight. Engine master 1 off. Confirm.
Confirm.
Off. If damage, parameters check, no damage. If no damage, engine 1 relight initiate.
Standby ECAM actions. Speed managed. Vertical speed pushed. Speed, vertical speed 0.
Check. S speed.
Flap 0.
Speed check. Flaps at 0.
Altitude pull. Green dot check managed. Thrust MCT open climb.
Check.
Pack 2.
Pack 2 is on.
Continuing ECAM actions.